Okay, we are here in Loboc and we're getting ready to do some zipline action. First time, so I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Am I recording? Yep, okay, sorry. Alright. Over here?
Yes.
Okay.
Line 2, lingkod na line 2.
Yep. Okay, so they got us into position here, ready to launch. Talking to my camera. Talking to whoever's listening and whoever's watching. So we're in the Superman position.
Yeah, Superman position.
And we're going... You're gonna hold your hands out like you're flying like Superman.
I cannot.
You can do it. You can do it. You're fine.
Itaas mo yung kamay mo para makarelax. Nakalak ako.
Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath.
Oh, please.
Yeah.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay, may pa-blow out.
She's scared. Okay, this is gonna be interesting.
Lord, please. 4, 1, 1, 1, 2. Line 1, doble. Napanaw na dos.
All right, I think we're...
Close your eyes.
No way.
Ready, sir?
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
Okay, ready. 1,
3.
Yeah. Woo, baby. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about.
Rider of the day.
thank you.
Blow the light, man.
You come over here in front of me.
All right, hold on.
Yeah. So we can see your faces.
Yeah.
Dito kayo, kuya.
Happy birthday.
Got him on camera.
Advance Merry Christmas.
Subscribe to
Boy, that's cool. So are you awake now?
on the first how many meters is that I'm reading?
520 meters now.
That's cool. That was fun. That was fun. Hopefully it turned out on this. We'll see.
Thank you, Mom.
We made the first half. Now we're gonna go for the second. Got to make it back to the other side. Over there. So we just came down that left zip line over there. Now we're gonna return back on this right one here. So see you in a few. Okay, zip line part 2.
Going back.
Single harness.
Three, 4, dapat.
pana, mopa duha, doble, line course.
Zipline part 2.
Go.
Ready? All right. Excellent. There you go. Thanks, guys.
Backward, sir.
Okay.
The best birthday present.
Yeah, that was cool. Thank you, gentlemen. That was great.
Very much.
We did it.
We will come back again.
Yeah. Have a nice day, guys.
Advance.
Yeah. Turn around and tell me what you think or what you thought. What's on your mind?
I enjoyed. The first, really, I'm so scared.
The second one kind of bugged me out because I only had a single harness on.
Really?
I was yeah, so I was like, oh my god, I hope this thing doesn't snap.
Good morning, po.
Hey. The second one, or I mean the first one, I had twin the first one I had 2 harnesses on.
And then you have one.
And then the one coming back I had 1 harness. I was like, uh-oh.
You should let your hand.
All right. So that's it, guys. We did the zip line. On to the next destination. Thanks for joining us, and thank you, God, that we survived this one. All right, later.
This is the way we start the day today.
This is the way we start the day. I know, it's not even 9 a.m. and we're freaking doing zip lining. Oh, okay.